One of the most crucial qualities to look for in a mesothelioma attorney is experience. Mesothelioma is a rare type of cancer that is caused by exposure to asbestos. It develops from the mesothelium, which is the protective lining that covers many of the internal organs. Most cases of mesothelioma are related to inhaled asbestos fibers or particles. Due to the rare nature of this disease and the complex legal issues surrounding asbestos exposure and litigation, it is imperative to choose a lawyer who has extensive experience handling mesothelioma cases. An experienced attorney will be knowledgeable about the disease itself, including its symptoms, prognosis, and treatment options. They will also be well versed in navigating the complex issues involved in mesothelioma liability cases. Experience with mesothelioma means an attorney has handled numerous cases to successful resolutions in the past. They understand how to build a strong case and what evidence to look for to prove causation from asbestos exposure. An experienced mesothelioma lawyer has also probably negotiated settlements and taken cases to trial when needed. They know what challenges to expect and how to overcome them. Looking for an attorney with at least 5 to 10 years or more of dedicated experience handling mesothelioma claims is advisable. You want someone who has seen numerous cases through to compensation for the client. Do not choose a lawyer just because they say they have experience with asbestos litigation. Make sure mesothelioma cases make up a significant portion of their caseload. When possible, look for a lawyer who exclusively handles mesothelioma and other asbestos-related disease claims such as asbestosis. A lawyer concentrating in this niche area of law will have built extensive expertise and resources tailored specifically for mesothelioma victims. They stay up to date with the latest science, court rulings, and approaches that can maximize claim values. A specialist will also know the appropriate experts to retain in each case, such as doctors who can provide supportive diagnoses and testimony. Having relationships built with the leading medical and scientific experts in the field provides a major advantage. Ask potential attorneys about any specific experience or focus they have for mesothelioma cases. The ability to get results for clients is another extremely important factor. Look closely at an attorney's track record and history of success. Evaluate the kinds of compensation amounts they have achieved for past clients with similar cases. Taking the time to inquire about specific past case resolutions and timeframes provides valuable insights. You want a lawyer who consistently obtains significant claim values whether settling with insurers or taking appropriate cases to trial. Examining how often they settle versus try cases can also help determine litigation style. Successful jury verdicts on record are another positive sign of an attorney's trial skills and reputation. Make sure any potential lawyers you interview can prove a proven history of obtaining proper compensation for clients. Client services should also be seriously considered when vetting mesothelioma lawyers. The client experience is tremendously important, as a mesothelioma diagnosis is terrifying and the legal process can be complex and worrisome. Look for an attorney with a reputation for providing empathetic, compassionate and responsive representation from start to finish. They should keep clients regularly informed about case progress, settlement discussions, and address any questions or concerns promptly. It also helps if a lawyer's office is conveniently located and willing to meet at alternate places if traveling is difficult. Factors like whether a 24/7 communication option exists, the ease of reaching someone by phone, and accommodating appointments outside regular hours are all client-focused considerations. High-quality client services can significantly impact a person's overall experience through an already difficult process. Ethics and integrity are indispensable qualities in any legal representative, and especially so when dealing with mesothelioma claims which often involve seriously ill clients. An attorney handling asbestos matters must be committed to fighting aggressively for clients, but must do so honestly and ethically. Look closely at any public discipline records, client reviews and whether they have ever been sanctioned by bars or courts for unethical conduct. Beware of lawyers emphasizing quick settlements or making guarantees. Mesothelioma litigation has many uncertain factors. Determine whether potential attorneys belong to organizations like ATLA that promote excellence and ethics. With serious health and financial stakes, mesothelioma victims need attorneys they can completely trust. Utmost integrity should be non-negotiable. Availability of financial resources is also crucial, as mesothelioma lawsuits usually require significant upfront case expenses like expert witnesses, evidence gathering, and insurers rarely concede liability easily. Make sure potential attorneys have the capital and backers necessary to cover disbursements and pursue claims as long as required. Trials and appeals often stretch over years. They must aggressively yet strategically pursue compensation suitable for clients' losses, lifetime medical costs, and suffering. Determine if attorneys take cases on contingency so plaintiffs do not shoulder monetary risks. Experienced mesothelioma lawyers have built strategic partnerships and funding options to negate budget constraints, ensuring exclusive focus remains on victims' needs. Resources help deliver high-quality representation from start to finish. At the end of the day, the foremost priority in choosing a mesothelioma lawyer is finding someone you trust and feel completely comfortable working with. This is an enormously vulnerable period where clients depend wholly on their legal advocate. Look for an attorney who intuitively understands each client's unique situation and priorities, not just their case merits. Good lawyers listen attentively to form personalized strategy reflecting clients' goals and concerns, not just standard templates. They effectively communicate complex issues understandably and regularly ascertain clients' desired direction for resolution. Building a solid rapport ensures clients feel supported every step of pursuit for full and fair compensation they deserve following terrible losses from mesothelioma. Compassion, dedication, and trust are irreplaceable in this relationship where victims place complete faith in counsel to aid through tremendous challenges. The most important factors when choosing a mesothelioma attorney are the relevant experience level, proven success record, specialty focus in asbestos litigation, superior client services, utmost integrity and ethics, adequate financial backing for case needs, and ability to establish trusted rapport. With so much at stake in mesothelioma claims, it is imperative that victims engage lawyers embodying these indispensable qualities to increase the likelihood of optimum legal outcomes as they also battle a terminal illness. Carefully vetting attorneys on all these attributes will give mesothelioma patients the best possible representation during an already incredibly difficult time. Choosing the right legal counsel can significantly impact not only the case result but entire experience navigating a diagnosis of